Top 5 apps like Sweetcoin Roblox review that actually work today. Sweetcoin is popular for converting steps into rewards, but most people get this wrong by assuming all reward apps are legitimate. The surprising truth is there are apps that reward physical activity or gameplay safely and effectively. Here are 5 that actually work today. First, Achievement. Tracks activity, sleep, and health data to reward points redeemable for gift cards. Users love verified payouts and easy tracking. Second, StepBit. Allows users to bet on meeting step goals. Customers highlight real rewards and verified challenges. Third, Fitpotato. Offers weekly challenges with real prizes. Users report smooth tracking and secure payouts. Fourth, Higgy. Tracks steps and health metrics. App users value verified rewards and wellness insights. Finally, Charity Miles. Converts steps into charitable donations. Users praise transparent tracking and impact. Pro tip, always read app permissions, check reward redemption policies, and verify payout options. This ensures safety and real benefits. These 5 apps let you earn rewards while staying active or gaming responsibly.